Welcome to Home Lifestyle and Decor. It's really nice to have you here watching my video. If you want to add your own special style to your home or make a wonderful gift for a friend, try out this simple handmade keyring holder and a matching wall decor. But before we start, let me remind you to subscribe to my channel for more such creative tips and ideas to spice up your space without spending a fortune. We'll start with these two leftover small wooden pieces, painted it with dark brown oil paint and the base is ready. Now draw an outline of the birds on any colored paper of your choice. I choose white since it will look good on the dark brown background. Need to paste this thin piece of rope using Fevicol and position the birds properly on the rope. A bit of golden glitter to add some charm. Small hooks to hold the key rings and a hook to hang it on the wall. That's all, and it's ready to add beauty to your home. Next, for the matching wall decor, we'll add the rope and place the birds on one side. Just a touch of golden glitter for a special effect, and the blank space can be used to write any code or to use it as a nameplate. These simple handmade items doesn't require any special skill set and are quick and easy to make, but it will definitely make a difference to your home. So enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to share your feedback. Thank you.